Hello and welcome back to Mentor Chat from this week, where I spoke with a brand new agent, brand new mentee, and it's pretty much very first conversation in real estate in this business has got a listing. So today we're going to learn about the 4 things you can do to get a listing and to make it get sold. Number 1, do not be a bloody silent agent. Tell people what you do. Now, he in particular is a very fortunate, in my opinion, experience of being a business owner in a different industry, which also has a synergy which can cross-pollinate into real estate. But if you don't tell somebody who you are and what you do and potentially share that you're asking for business, we don't have to be sharing outright, but if somebody does not know who you are, or if they know who you are and they don't know what you do, it's effectively the same as not knowing who you are or what you do. Tell people what you do, share information, share value, tell them what you do, share your story, and you will absolutely get business. Number 2, always understand the owner or the potential client's needs in complete transparency first. So in this situation, he knows that this person is looking to sell their home, but we don't have a definitive on the timeline or exactly what they need out of it. Is it money? Know the why they're looking to move. In this case, it's to relocate closer to family, but you've got to understand their needs. Only when you understand potential sellers or your clients' needs first can you truly present a value proposition which is going to elevate you over any other potential agent, and you can offer the most value and the best experience and expertise you possibly can for them. So always be transparent and always ask and understand. Look to ask those open-ended questions to understand exactly what the homeowner needs from selling their home. Number 3, do your research ahead of time, but look at the house, understand what the situation is from the tax records, when did they purchase the house, a little bit about the house, get on the MLS or the portals and understand a little bit about the neighborhood or the comparable homes and what is the situation in the industry right now. What are interest rates doing? Is that going to affect potential buyers that are coming in? What are the potential good with this home? In this home in particular, a very interesting, unique home in a very desirable but very large neighborhood. And there's nothing else on the market now like this home. So although it may have some potential challenges, we were discussing landscape and some potential, not downfalls, but some challenges the house may have. This is a house that is going to be wanted, and there is nothing like it, no comparables, no competition on the market. So do your research ahead of time, so then when you look to have an open, honest, transparent conversation with the home seller, you may not need to get to price first of all, but even before you go in the home, you can have that conversation with them and show, because you truly are the expert, you've done your research, you've used the right tools, you've done the right research to know what the situation is with that home, and if they are looking to sell their home tomorrow, well, this is what you can look to expect by facts, 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 market, education, and experience. Very simple. Number 4, marketing plan, my favorite piece of all. We didn't get into this in great detail today, but any old real estate agent is going to take pictures and put it on the MLS. Now, depending on the market you're in, you can find somebody to do that at a very discounted cost and discounted price. So why be any different from them? Look to see where the value of the home is. You know, the 2 things that I do in every single listing, which I would highly, highly recommend. Now, if it's that kind of home, particular price point, particular visual, I'd certainly look at drone photography. Professional photography isn't even a doubt. It's always a guaranteed, a certainty, not even a question. In this day and age, post lingering from COVID, but when we are so digital, always look to get a 360 tool. You know, back in the day, I used to do Matterport before COVID came to life, and now there's a much, much better tool and resource, which I'll happily share with you later on. Always look to do that. And a lifestyle video, remember, our fiduciary duty, which is always easy for me to say, to the client, to the homeowner, is to, going back to step number 2, I believe it was, to understand what their needs are. Is it the most money? Is it the speed? Is it whatever? That's step number 1. But from our business, we have to understand, even if you are a brand new agent, even if you're a 30-year veteran, what we're truly selling by helping someone sell their home. Take that client relationship to the side as ourselves, our brand, and how we do things. Every home we sell, every listing we have is truly part of our portfolio. So you can go in, hey, Mr. and Mrs. Buyer, hi, Mr. and Mrs. Seller. These are the homes I've sold, and this is the marketing I've done. So see it as a portfolio, see it as an opportunity to market and brand yourself to the best possible way to find the home, to find the right buyer at the best possible price. It is as simple as that. So always look to produce a lifestyle video, a walkthrough, a 360 walkthrough, but please, and we'll get into this as the weeks go on, I'm sure, always look to be the introducer of the video. It's a lifestyle video. You want to sell yourself, vicariously selling the home. So there you go, 4 tips if you are struggling to get listings in this market, even if you're not. We have an agent, a partner, a friend who, with one of his very first conversations in real estate, is very highly likely to get a listing. So stop complaining about interest rates, stop moaning, do the work, do the business, and thank you for watching.